bikes together for second grade kids in the Denver community. We've got great partners here today, Priority Bikes and Wish for Wheels.
We are a nonprofit that gives brand new bikes and helmets to second graders in low-income Title I elementary schools. Today we're building 60 Priority Bikes with Gates Corporation, who makes an amazing product called Gates Carbon Drive.
Gates Carbon Drive is maintenance-free, it's really lightweight, it's clean, it's quiet. It's a perfect solution for kids' bicycles.
Our thing is all about delivering low-maintenance bicycles, and we couldn't do that without the partnership that we have with Gates. And we've grown really fast. We've launched a bunch of new models for different customers, whether it's adults and kids and different usage. So we always have the Gates team to rely on, and it means so much to us.
Such a great opportunity for us to give back to the community, and knowing that all the bicycles that we built today are going to low-income kids and are really making a difference in the community.
So this event is a great example of the culture of Gates. It's about team building, it's about giving back to the community, it's about building something innovative, it's about having a good time on a warm summer afternoon in downtown Denver.
On your mark, get set, go!
What we're seeing is people coming together, working together, having fun, and then the lasting effect is the impact that everybody having a great afternoon is making within the community.
The spirit of today was amazing. You know, building the bikes for the community, for the second graders, really gives meaning to this whole event. You know, not only was it fun for us to get together and connect, but to put the bikes together for a group of people who really need them is super important to us.